Hey everybody, welcome to ET Music. I'm Eki. I teach piano and voice lessons, and I usually do them in person. With everything going on right now, I've offered the option to do them via the internet. And I just wanted to give a quick picture of what that looks like. Basically, I get the email address from my students, and I would open up Zoom.com and I'd start the meeting. It gives me the option to invite. So I have a special student waiting with my sample email address here. And it's my son. So he's waiting patiently for this invite, and I'll send it now. And within 1 to 2 minutes, they're able to accept the invite. They'll see the link show up in the email, and all they have to do is click on the link, and then they'll join. So like I said, and there he is.
Hi.
Hi. Are you ready for your lesson?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Well, that's my son. So we'd start our lesson, and then have our 30-minute lesson, and it works out really, really well. All right. Thank you, son. Say bye.
Bye.
And that's how it works. One of the things is that if I don't have a copy of their music, they would just hold it up to the camera and I'd screenshot it. That way I could follow along what they've been working on. So it's worked out really, really well. And it's an option that I'm offering now to everybody. And that has really opened up some times now, especially with people all over. I've had so many requests from friends, families who live abroad who have just wanted to take lessons, but just haven't really thought of this option. So with everything going on, it's really opened that up, and now it's here. So at ET Music, you can hit up my Facebook page at ET Music. Find out all the details. Contact me at Eki Taula, EKITAULA @hotmail.com, or just send me a quick message on Facebook. Give us a like and subscribe to our channel. So ET Music. And we have a message from. All right. Thanks for tuning in, and we will see you later. Stay safe.